repository, then user. So myself, Vishwas Hasen, I'm the librarian, Rajaram Babu Institute of Technology, Islamabad. It's an autonomous institute. So what is institutional repository? Institutional repository is an electronic document of the scholar products made by the research faculty, staff, and students of the organization, and available to end users both inside and outside of the organization with the few obstructions of any access is accordingly drawn. And the objective of the institutional repository is that the institutional repository is created to manage, preserve, and maintain the digital assets, intellectual output, and histories of academic institutions. And then create the global visibility to the institute's scholarly research. Third objective is that to collect content in a single location on single platform, like that. And to provide open access to institutional research output. Fifth objective is that very important to provide self-archiving of institutional scholarly research output and the institute publications. So, what are the elements of the institutional repository? As you know that the digital institutional repository can be any collection of digital materials hosted, owned, and controlled and disseminated by the any institutional, irrespective of purpose of origin. And then the institutional repository can assume many forms and serve a variety of purposes as per the functions, objective of parent organization. And the digital archive of intellectual product by the student, faculty, research student of any institute, and it should be accessible and end user without boundaries. And the main content of the institutional repository, like that, the preprint of articles or research reports submitted for publications, then the text of journal article accepted for publications, revised text of published work with comments from academic leaders, then conference papers, teaching material, student projects, previous question papers, committee report on minutes of meeting, memoranda, then photographs and video recording of the institute functions. Various institutes have organized, has organized various functions. We can keep the photographs and video recording on the institutional repository like this case. Then NAC, AAA audit report, NBA SSR reports, year-wise report can keep the institutional repository. Then technical documentation, college syllabus, university syllabus. Also, we can keep academic calendar, pamphlets, annual report, open access ebooks, performance reports of the faculties, then user database, your year-wise database you can keep there, and user statistics like that. So, specific to the institutional institute for the IR, then increasing visibility and prestige, centralization and storage all the types of institutional output, support for learning and teaching, standardization of institutional record, then ability to keep track and analyze research performance, breaking down the publisher cost and permission, maintain information to long term, promotion of philosophy of wider information. This is a specific for the institute. What is the benefit? Then specific to the author. What is the importance of IR for specific to author? Dissemination of impact of scholarship. Like studies estimate that open articles are cited 50 to 50% or more than non-open access articles. Then storage access to wide range material. Feedback from users, added value services such as heat, count on papers. Then a central archive of research work, benefit to the researcher and their institution in the terms of prestige. So role of the librarian. Librarian can building the content of IR, then collection administrator and metadata specialist. Then librarian can provide the training how to use institutional repository, how to use this space, how to information.
सर
आवाज नाही येते.
हां
हॅलो.
सर हां ओके ओके
हा, येतोय आवाज सर?
हो सर येतोय.
Yes, sir. The role of librarian, collection administrator and metadata specialist. Librarian can upload the number of documents in bulk format or the individual document like research, faculty publication, annual report, academic calendar, user database. Also, librarian can give the training how to retrieve the data from DSpace or institutional repository. So, main outcomes of the institutional repository. IR increase the visibility and prestige. High profile IR may be used to support marketing activity to attract high quality staff or students and funding. Also, institutional repository help in centralized and storage of all the types of institutional output, including unpublished literature, like that. Also, IR support for learning and teaching. Links may be made with the virtual teaching environment and the library catalog. Also, IR assists in standardization of institutional record, like the compilation of an institutional CV, individual online, there's a line, the full text of articles become a possibility as per the permission of publisher. Also, IR unable to keep track and analyze the research performance. So, this is a work model of the digital repository. Uh, Librarian can metadata analyst can submit the document. Then IR work on management, the preservation process, and the end user end user can retrieve the documents. Uh, I will give some example of the institutional repository in India. The and using DSpace software. Like IIT, all the IITs using DSpace. First of it. Then DRDC Bangalore, IIM, Indian National Science Academy Bangalore, IGNOU, IMFLIPNet, Gandhinagar, Management Development Institute, and Mumbai also most of the 80%. I have read one research paper. 80% institute are using DSpace software for the institutional repository. Uh, this is my college institutional repository. I will show you. I will show you the institutional repository how it works on my institute. So is the website visible?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. Uh, this is my home page of the institutional repository. I am using a DSpace software. There is a function, collection and community. These are the home page. You can keep a home page and select a banner. These are the communities of DSpace. I have keep the CDs and DVDs collection, employment newspaper archives, photos gallery. We have a newsletter of alumni. Then RIT news. Then we have autonomous institute. So I have keep all my institute syllabus in the institutional repository in my DSpace. And so we have open access ebooks. I have keep here. Then MTech project reports, PhD thesis, the project report. Then faculty publication, open access. Question papers, the department wise question paper I can keep here. And so you can see the bottom page is the user tracking. Till date, 1,919 students visited to the my IR. So it is a very valuable count for the facing any committees like NAC, NBA. NAC NAC always asking, do you have institutional repository? Do you have a website like that?
सर विश्वास सर, हॅलो विश्वास सर,
Hello.
हां प्लीज यू क्लिक ऑन एनी आर्टिकल ऑफ युअर फॅकल्टी मेंबर अँड प्लीज ॲक्सेस न दॅट.
Yes, yes, yes.
हां प्लीज, बिकॉज वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू सी ना व्हॉट इज दॅट मीन्स.
Yes, yes.
Oh, please.
I can click the. I have clicked the RIT news. So any news published in my institute in the any newspaper, I can keep on my repository. Suppose I upload the document RIT महाविद्यालय उत्तम दर्जा संवर्धनाचे राज्यात प्रथम. तुम्ही जर क्लिक केलं,
सर विश्वास सर, 10 मिनटात मीटिंग संपणार आहे आपली, हे टाईम संपेल आपला, तर पुन्हा त्याच लिंकवर क्लिक करून आपल्याला जॉईन व्हायचं आहे. हां मीटिंग संपल्यानंतर.
ठीक आहे चालेल.
हां
इथे न्यूज वरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर आपल्याला ऑटोमॅटिकली इथे न्यूज ओपन. सो पहिले माझ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये आम्ही वेबसाईटवरती असा काही डेटा ठेवत होतो. सपोज सिलेबस असेल किंवा फॅकल्टीचे नोट्स असतील. प्रॉब्लेम काय होतो, त्यावेळेस माझ्याकडे 2016-17मध्ये नॅकनी व्हिजिट केलं. त्यावेळेस मला फीडबॅक दिला की तुम्ही वेबसाईटवरती प्रत्येक युजर हा व्हिजिट करतोच असं नाही. व्हिजिट जरी केलं तरी त्याला इम्पॉर्टंट डॉक्युमेंट तो फक्त चेक करत असतो की त्याचं डिपार्टमेंट स्पेसिफिक कुठलं आहे, कुठले फॅकल्टी आहेत, कुठला डायरेक्टर काय आहे, एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट इयर हिस्ट्री वगैरे वेबसाईटवरती चेक करतो. आणि जर तुमचं जर कलेक्शन्स ठेवायचं असेल, तुमचं जर रिसर्च ठेवायचं असेल, तुमचं लायब्ररीचं स्पेशल डिजिटल लायब्ररीचं एक पेज असणं गरजेचं आहे किंवा तुमची इन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिपॉझिटरी असणं गरजेचं आहे. नॅकमध्ये तुम्ही पॉईंट पण त्याला 2 की 3 मार्क आहेत. लायब्ररीला टोटल 20 मार्क असतात, त्यातले 5 मार्क तुम्ही इन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिपॉझिटरीला ते कन्सिडर करता. त्यानंतर आम्ही ते इन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिपॉझिटरी 17मध्ये इम्प्लिमेंट केलं. And it is open access. Anyone can access through inside or outside. इथे आम्ही आमचा कॉलेजचा सिलेबसही ठेवला आहे. BBA असेल, BTech असेल, BA असेल, year wise सिलेबस. फॅकल्टी पब्लिकेशन असेल तर तुमचं पब्लिशरचं तुम्हाला पब्लिशरने तुम्हाला जर परमिशन दिले असतील, राईट्स तुमच्याकडे जर राईट्स असतील, तर तुम्ही याच्यावरती डिस्प्लेसवरती तुमचं फॅकल्टी पब्लिकेशनही ठेवू शकता. किंवा तुमचं ओपन ॲक्सेसमध्ये असेल किंवा तुम्ही तुमचं टायटल आणि ॲबस्ट्रॅक्ट जर इथं ठेवला आणि तुमच्या पेपरची जर लिंक आपण इथं अपलोड केली तर तुमचं सायटेशन वाढायला ॲटोमॅटिक मदत होते. तुमचं इम्पॅक्ट फॅक्टर असेल, तुमचं सायटेशन असेल तर डेफिनेटली तुमच्या डिस्प्लेसमध्ये जर तुम्ही आर्टिकल्स ठेवलं तर डेफिनेटली तुमचे सायटेशन वाढायला मदत होते. सगळ्यात मोठा फायदा हा इन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिपॉझिटरी. आणि माझ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटला NRF रँकिंगमध्ये इन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिपॉझिटरीचा खूप मोठा फायदा झाला. फॅकल्टीचे पब्लिकेशन, फॅकल्टीचा इम्पॅक्ट फॅक्टर वाढायला खूप मदत झाली. This is the credit for institutional repository, NAC, ISO, NBA, LIC visit, AICT committee, DQ, NRF ranking. Most of the committee members ask, do you have a institutional repository? Do you have a digital library? So we have subscribed any e-journals, any e-books. We can tell that we have e-journals, but where is the digital library? Digital library we have 2 pieces, but we have a discuss institutional repository. We can say that we have a digital library and we can provide a 24/7 access. The last one is I conclude my session. Institutional repositories are essential tool for academic issues. It fulfills a number of roles in an academic institution. Open access repository will broaden the basis. Knowledge may be expensive to generate, but it should be inexpensive to the youth. Also, academic libraries need to take positive initiative to developing institutional repositories in order of widely dissemination of the intellectual output of academic institutes. In the in the competitive education market, institutional repository provide a platform on which of the college can showcase to higher education. The last one is the success of institutional repository depend on the willingness of authors to deposit their work. Librarians need to continue to educate them about the importance of the institutional repository. Its maintenance must be institutional strategic goal. And last one, the librarian commits to understand the teaching and learning needs of its students. Thank you.
Sir, now in the next session I request you that how we can upload that, mean what will be the role of the teachers and how they are going to upload their material, and regarding that I request you to provide the guidance on the same. And as well if our faculty members have any doubt, please clear that. And how we can start that, means all the process, please explain in the next session. Okay, now Varade sir, hello, Varade sir, hello, hello, वराडे सर.
तर त्यांचा नसेल एखाद्या वेळेस.
बरं, मग मी आता एक काम करतो, ही मीटिंग आता इथे एंड करतो. 4 मिनिट जरी राहिले आपल्याला तरी आपण इथे एंड करूया आणि मग लगेच जॉईन करू, बरोबर? म्हणजे तो सेशन, ते सेशन मग आपल्याला चांगलं मिळेल, बरोबर का नाही?
ओके सर.
तर आजच्या सेशनच्या चेअरपर्सन वराडे सर यांची परमिशन घेऊन मी हे सेशन बंद करतोय. लगेच आपण 2 मिनिटात जॉईन व्हायचे. हासे सर, प्लीज जॉईन अगेन.